Here's how I made $30,000 in sales as a teenager. I sold this rolling pin during the holiday season. I bought it for cheap and sold it for more. And I used Oberlo to find the product. It helps you find products that are in demand.
Here's how to make up to $100 per day online. Go to Fiverr.com. Click on Join. List your freelance service such as graphic design, digital marketing, and more. Start out at a low price, but once you get enough good reviews, increase the price. Follow, like, and share for more ways to make money online.
This horse just sold for like 30 grand. There's a new opportunity coming pretty soon, so I wanted to show this to you guys before it drops. So Nascar is going to be partnering with Zed Run. And if you haven't seen Zed Run yet, it's pretty crazy. It's like this horse racing crypto game where you can buy and sell your horses, you can breed horses, and then you can race them, and if you win money. I have no idea about horse racing, so I've yet to touch this game, but for everyone who got in early to this, they got these horses for like dirt cheap. So when the Nascar one comes out, I'm gonna snag some Nascars for pretty cheap, and I'll see if they go up in value. Also, as requested, I made a Telegram group.
I just found the easiest way for anyone to make money on TikTok. No, you don't need a large following or to be a verified creator. It's called Big Tiny Sound, and it's the easiest way to earn money as a creator on TikTok for any video. How it works is they provide you with sponsored sounds, and they will pay up to $650 per sound if you have a certain number of viewers and likes. What you need to do is use the sound in your video and then upload the link to your TikTok video. If it reaches these goals, you'll be paid. Try it out.
Take away your things and go. Can't take back what you said. Oh no, I've heard it all before, at least a million times. I'm not one to forget, you know.
Free with this brand new site. Step 1, go to this website called Lidium.org. Step 2, go to the graphics and design section. Step 3, earn money every single day.
Side hustles that actually work, unlike the other stupid ones you see on this app. Part 9. Head over to a website called afplus.com. Here we can find CPA offers where we get paid for every action. And what makes this even better is all we need is someone's email. Once you've found an offer that you want to promote, go to adclerks.com, and here you'll find websites that are willing to offer you ad space for extremely cheap, while also getting millions of impressions to your offer. If you want to start this method, then head over to my YouTube and watch my